Here is a Hisense AX5140Q 5.1.4 Dolby Atmos Soundbar review. So as you can see, this soundbar costs $399.99, but you can go ahead and pay this monthly for only $33.44. As you can see, there is also a 4-year plan where you can pay it on $69. Now let's focus on the specification. Now, it is on wireless connectivity because it is Bluetooth. It is a wireless subwoofer connectivity, but it is not app compatible. You can also use this through indoor. And as you can see, when it comes to audio, it has a high number of channels. So you can use this when you are going to a soundbar that has a nice sound. And this is the physical look of the Dolby Atmos soundbar. As you can see, it has 3 speakers and a 1 soundbar that can actually make you go ahead and have a nice audio. You can also experience a movie-like sounds if you're using this Dolby Atmos soundbar. So if you're looking for a very nice soundbar that feels like you are in the movies and has a great audio, then Dolby Atmos soundbar is good for you.